thing that's been really important with Jim Reynolds Asphalt's success was creating press releases. So before the news outlets was reaching out to us, we created our own press releases in order to show our audience the things that we were growing and improving in our company. So we used to create our news releases, and we would include things like the equipment we were buying, the people we were promoting in the company, the things we were doing in the community. And with that, we would send it out to our social media pages, we would send it out to our email list, as well as we would get together all the emails from all the news reporters, the radio stations here locally, and we would send that information and press release to them too, just to see if they would grab onto the story. And we realized that that was the biggest thing when it came to press was people want to know your story. People want to see and figure out if they can like and trust you as a business owner and if they can relate. So eventually, after doing that, I would say for at least 4 to 5 years of our own creating press releases and things like that, eventually the news reporters started contacting us and saying, hey, I'm seeing your story, I'm seeing other people grabbing onto it, and I want to know more. And from there, we was able to then build our brand even more on a local stance with the local news reporters and radio stations. And then from there, we said, okay, let's not stop here. Now it's time to grab the information from the national news reporters. Let's get their emails, get their information, their phone numbers, so we can start sending that story to them so that our story can be syndicated even more. So that's really the keys in order to really grow your business, in order to get press. A lot of times it doesn't naturally just come. Sometimes you have to work for it. You have to create that story that they can grab a hold to as well. So whether it's creating content through blogs, creating it through videos, or it might be creating in other ways such as audio and podcast, always share the story of your business, because eventually there will be someone out there that thinks, okay, this is a story that people can relate to, and they'll want to share it on their platform and syndicate it across other platforms as well. Thank you so much for coming to our YouTube page. Please subscribe as well as like the video and leave a comment.